Hey Rosebuds, thanks for joining me today. I'm doing an unboxing from a company that I haven't ordered from in a while. This is from Petals from the Past. I'm expecting band size potted roses 2. The label says 10 pounds. It came from UPS. What else do you need to know? What are we looking for with our potted roses? We are expecting that the pot is covered so that soil's not getting all over the box, and we want it to stay moist in shipment. It should have leaves and be awake, and we want to make sure that it doesn't have any pest or disease. If it has black spot, not a big deal. We just defoliate the leaves. Let's see. I've got packing peanuts here. It's windy, and so they're going to try to fly away. Alrighty, what do we have here? Unpacking and handling. Immediately remove the plants from the box. Remove all the packing materials. Plants should be left in their pots until you're ready to plant. Water them well. Place them outside in full sun and leave it outside in full sun. So they're not recommending that you harden them in. I think it's just safe to always harden in, and that just means that you don't put them immediately out in the sun. You're gonna out and just keep on increasing the amount of time. I have some roses that I left out for most of the day today in the sun, and I wasn't watching them closely, and I can just tell that they're looking a little bit mopey. They would have preferred that I didn't leave them out as long as I did. So just be careful and watch them and bring them in the second that they start showing any kind of duress, and then extend it longer the next time. I don't like packing peanuts, and I know that you guys are probably the same way. I wish that there was some other way to get these in here. I'll be back. Okay, I got all the packing peanuts put in the trash can now. So here we are. They are nice and heavy. They've been watered in to make it through shipment, so I'm happy with that. You can see it's covered. And I thought I was getting band roses. I didn't look closely at the listing. These are gallon size. I'll put up on the screen the price that I paid with shipment. I like to tell you guys when a vendor is aware that I've purchased it and that I'm going to be doing an unboxing. In this case, unless they've memorized my name and they're looking for it, they have no idea. So they're not sending me a rose that is their best specimen to make sure that it's getting good video time. So I was anonymous. This, oh gosh. So not only is it watered in well, but it is covered with wet paper. And so that has kept it really moist. It does have black spot. I expect that, honestly. And I'm always shocked when they come clean, just because it's so easy to get a little bit of fungus. And so if you look here, you can see some of the leaves have black spot, and so it's really easy. Take it off, put it in your receptacle, not in the garden beds. But once we take off the black spot, it's gonna be fine. So this rose is it not labeled? This one is not labeled. I don't see any tag. Maybe they wrote it on the paper. Let me look. No. So I am not seeing any label. The varieties are so different that as soon as they start blooming, I'll be able to tell which one is which. I got Pearl d'Or, which is so unique, and I love the bloom. It's an earth-friendly or an earth-kind rose, which means that you should be able to grow it everywhere. And it is, and when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere in the United States, and it needs little fertilizers. It's for no spray gardens. They're great roses. And I have another one, and I absolutely love it. All right, so here is the other one. Nice paper. It definitely stayed moist in shipment. Oh, this one has a label. So yay. And you know, I'm thinking there must be a label stuffed in the side there, but this is the pearled ore here. And this one just has a little bit of black spot, but you know, really nothing that I'm too concerned about. So I'm really happy with these roses that I got from Petals from the Past. I would recommend this grower. They did a great job with shipment, definitely watered in well. The roses are healthy, they're a good size, so I'm very happy. And I did find the label for Lavender Lassie. It just fell out. And look at this. This one, the Lavender Lassie, look at this root that's coming all the way out the side. It's a very healthy rose. Okay, so you guys know that I like to take my roses out of the pots to make sure that they're fully rooted in. I know that they are. They have to be, especially with this root coming out of the bottom, but let's go ahead and see what's going on. Go. You can see the roots all the way around the side. So I know that I got what I paid for when it comes to the size of a rose. I hope that this unboxing was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video.